Now the question before us is, find the volume of a right circular cone with radius 6 centimeter and height 7 centimeter. We have been asked to assume pi is equal to 22 over 7. So this is the cone which we have. This has radius is equal to 6 centimeter and this is the height. This height is 7 centimeter. This is radius, this is height, which touches center of the base with the pointed part. We have to find the volume. So here we have been given radius as 6 centimeter. We have been given height as 7 centimeter and we have to calculate volume of right circular cone. And what is the formula for calculating the volume of the cone? It is 1 over 3 pi r square h. We fill in the relevant values. What is the value of pi? It has been given as 22 over 7. What is the value of r? It is 6 square. Then what is the value of h? Height is 7. 7 divided by 7, 6 is divided by 3. So what is left is 22 into 12. 264 cubic centimeter. This is the volume of the right circular cone. This is the answer. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.